Kelly, now we're at trial, right? And so the jury is getting all this. Like, they're getting bombarded with this. I can't imagine what it's like for them getting all this information at once. And it's obvious that the defense is going to say, there's a serial killer involved here. This is reasonable doubt. Like, just, he's a serial killer. How difficult do you think will it be for a jury to get over that hump, to focus like Vince and the investigators focused on what happened, they believe, to Melissa?
It could be potentially really hard, especially when the defense is going to point fingers at the serial killer father. Look in that direction. Look at the shiny object over here. Look at him.
It's as shiny as it gets, right? Usually they're pointing the finger at anyone, just anyone. But they get to point the finger at a literal serial killer.
Yes, it's absolutely true. It's like, let's distract, let's focus on that. But then also, let's look at the mom as well. She got immunity, and she testified against her own husband. Was she involved in this? They can definitely gonna argue that as well.
Yeah, that's a head scratcher for me, Kelly. They all live in Metro Atlanta, right? Like, it takes a year to convince people that something's wrong if no one has heard from her daughter. Should the jury believe her here, that she was out there trying to convince people that, hey, my daughter's missing?
Well, the counter argument to that is that the daughter Melissa used to send cards for the holidays, for anniversaries. And so the mother didn't hear from her for a little while, that she thought that was normal. And then she didn't get a card from her. And then because of that, she was trying to find out where she is. Now, the counter argument to that is that maybe she knew something. Maybe she thought that the husband did it, that the husband was involved, so she didn't say anything because she was worried that he killed her. Or maybe she was involved some way, somehow. Ultimately, the jury will make that determination.
Yeah. That rubs me the wrong way. Let's take a look to find me here. Kelly, does this demonstrate a consciousness of guilt to the jury that he's hiding from the officers?
A consciousness of some type of guilt, but of what he's being charged with, we don't know that. The fact that he's hiding, we're not sure if it's because of this. Now, we have to remember, this is a cold case, so 25 years have gone by. Does he have any idea the police are coming?
Yeah. How about that, Kelly?
Supposedly she went to California, but why did he go to the police? Why didn't he? She had young children, two beautiful young children. She's a mom. Can you imagine the thought of these kids thinking their mom abandoned them? I mean, why wouldn't he communicate with her, go to the police and try and find her? Yeah. That begs a question.
It absolutely does. Kelly Hyman, great to see you. Thanks so much for stopping in.